Good morning, my fabulous 22. So I'm getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment for the day. Yeah, I'm just like brushing my hair right now while I'm doing this video. And yeah. Welcome to vlogoween day 9. So I'm gonna start us off with the outfit of the day. I have on these black like lace up and zip boots. Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. And like turn it to see the zipper, but yeah. I have these jeans right here, and it's sort of a lavender purplish shirt with a gray tank top. And I'm not showing my socks today because they're just underneath here. It's another pair of like Star Wars socks with the stormtroopers on them. And yeah, I'm gonna go finish. Oh yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and all that good stuff, and I'll check it back in with you when I get home. Hello again, my fabulous 22. So, anyway, I've been home for a good bit here. Gosh. Anyway, I've been home before I got interrupted by that sneeze. I've been home for a while here. We just finished organizing my grandmother's hall closet, or one of them. She has 2. And yeah, that took a minute. Yep, that took a minute. And now I'm just sort of chilling until it's time for lunch. And I'm also having a bit of a snack. You might be wondering what I'm eating. This is a crunchy cinnamon granola bar by Nature Valley. Not sponsored. But yeah. Anyways, so today I went to my doctor's appointment that I had today. That was about it. We came back here, and we organized holiday cards, and which the closet was already basically done, so all we had left to do was go through some miscellaneous stuff and organize the wrapping paper and stuff that's stored in there. So that was a bit of a task, but it's all done now. And yeah, that's about it for the video today. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me reach my goal of 30 subscribers. And also, if you want, you can check out my Amazon merch links that are down in the description below, along with my social media. I have the You're an Idiot party game link that's still there, and the promo code that I'm going to put in the top right corner of the screen, along with a picture of the product. And then I have some Halloween costumes. There is a Princess Belle, a Batman, and an M&M. And you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Pinterest, and add me on Snapchat. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!